Hello guys, I'm super excited to bring you another trade breakdown of mine. Before I go into it, I feel the need to say this. Nothing beats top-down and multi-time frame analysis as it helps you build better and well-informed trade buyers. Quickly, I will dive into the jump 100 index trade I took yesterday, breaking down my thought process and why I got in on the trade. So yeah, let's get right into it. Taking off from the daily time frame, from the daily time frame on job 100 index, so clearly in a downtrend. And as at the time we got in on the trade, what we noticed from the daily time frame, like I said, clearly we're in a downtrend on jump 100 index, with this level being the swing low, swing high rather, sorry about that. So as long as we stay below this level, we're still very much in a downtrend on jump 100 index from the daily time frame perspective. And also clearly the level, clearly from the daily time frame, we were testing a key level. And 400 was a key level. As at the time we got in on the trade, price was retesting the key level 10,400. You can see how the level has been holding up price for the longest period of time. We had the level act here as a support. Price came back again, level acted as a support. We broke through the level acted as a resistance. When we were above the level, acted as a support, 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 then a support. We have the level acting as a support again, support, and then what? The level currently was broken. And then there's something clearly that stood out here. Upon the break of the level, the first time price retested the level, we can clearly notice we had what? A bullish move, a pin bar, a daily pin bar, and then followed by what? A daily bearish engulfing candlestick. So upon the break of the level, we had a retest of the level. And since price is below the level is expected to act as a resistance. But then clearly we noticed was from the daily time frame, we had what? A daily pin bar rejecting the level, followed by what? A daily bearish engulfing. This was the first retest of the level after the break, and then quickly price what? Came back a second time to retest the very same level. What? A bullish candlestick. Then again, what? A pin bar, followed by what? A bearish engulfing candlestick. So you can see what? Price came back to retest this very same key level, printing out the very exact same what? Candlestick patterns. And then sometime yesterday, price was back again. Some 2 days ago, price was back again to this very same level. What then did we notice? Quite a bullish move of price into the level, and then what? Followed by what? A pin bar with rejections from the level, from the key level, 10,400. Just similar to what price did the previous time price came to the level. Daily pin bar, and then clearly after seeing the close of this daily candlestick as a pin bar was enough confirmation that what the next daily candlestick was going to close as what? As a bearish engulfing candlestick also. Guys, I can't make this up. It's right there. Happening right at the very same level. The first time, price came into the level, what? A daily pin bar, followed by what? A bearish engulfing. The second time, again, we had what? A daily pin bar, followed also by what? A bearish engulfing. And now again, we're back to the very same level, the very exact level. Price giving us what? A daily pin bar also. What are we expecting for the next day? Guys, a bearish engulfing candlestick. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. So we have established from the facts that what the daily time frame clearly is in a downtrend. And also we have price retesting what? A daily key level, 10,400, coupled with the fact that what? Price has what? Printed us what? A daily pin bar candlestick, rejecting what? The key level. Moving down to the 4-hourly time frame. Quickly, what we noticed on the 4-hourly time frame was the fact that what? The 4-hourly time frame was in an uptrend, printing out higher highs and higher lows. As you can clearly see, we had the high here, we had the low, we had the higher high, we had the higher high, the higher low, with this being what? The swing low. Afterwards, we had what? A higher high. Clearly what? Price from the 4-hourly perspective is what? In an uptrend. And then what we noticed was what? We had what? A higher high right here. Faked out of what? The daily key level. And then we closed right back below the level, seeing what? A sell-off. And then what happened? With the sell-off, giving us what? A lower low, breaking what? Below the previous swing low. Shifting the structure from what? An uptrend to what? To a downtrend. Clearly, as you see from the 4-hour perspective. So now we're in a downtrend in the 4-hour time frame. daily time frame in a downtrend, 4-hour time frame also in a downtrend. And then I clearly see also from the 4-hour time frame, we had price giving us what? A potential head and shoulder pattern. Potential because what? As at the time we got in on the trade, we had the right shoulder forming already. So a better entry confirmation would have been what? At the break of the neckline and then a retest of the neckline. But then we had the entry right off the formation of the right shoulder. Hence the reason I said what? It's a potential head and shoulder pattern. It's only a confirmed head and shoulder pattern when once what? Price breaks below what? The neckline. And then there's a retest. But then we got in on what? Our sell trade right at the formation of the right shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern. And that we can clearly see from the 1-hour time frame. Also, another level clearly stood out. In level 99.20. We can see how the level works. The level acted as a resistance multiple number of times. And then we had the level what? We had our left shoulder formed just right at the level. And then also, we're very much expecting what? The right shoulder to come into what? This same level where we expected to look at for what? Potential sell opportunities. That we got from the 1-hour time frame. Moving down to the 1-hour time frame. Moving on to the 1-hour time frame. So here we can take out the head and shoulder pattern. Moving on to the 1-hour time frame. Also, we had what? A daily time frame in a downtrend. The 4-hour time frame was shifted from uptrend also, moving toward the downtrend. And then now we're down to what? So the 1-hour time frame. What? What I low here? What the I? What? Another I, and then we had what? The sell-off breaking what? Swing low from what? The 1-hour time frame perspective, shifting what? The structure from what? From uptrend to what? To a downtrend, as clearly seen on the 1-hour time frame. So here we have what? 3 of our time frames in sync. The daily time frame clearly in a downtrend, the 4-hourly time frame in a downtrend, and also the 1-hour time frame in the downtrend, giving us what? Giving our sell trades higher probability trades, because we very much want to be what? Trading in line with the trend. So confirming what? The daily time frame, the 4-hourly time frame, and then the 1-hour time frame in a downtrend gives us what? Better sell trade opportunities. And then right at this level, this also we had what? The break, and then the formation of what? The right shoulder, retesting what? This key level, previously acted what? As a support, broken, and then price is coming back to what? A broken support becomes what? A new resistance. So we're very much looking to what? Sell off jump 100 index from this level. But then again, I'll bring in what? The exponential moving average. Just as a form of confluence. You've been following me. You know I make use of the exponential moving average 50. Just for added confluence. And you can clearly see previously, whenever we are above the exponential moving average 50, or every time price retests the exponential moving average, it acts as what? A dynamic support. And clearly what? We broke below the exponential moving average, and then we had the retests. Because we are below the exponential moving average, the exponential moving average is expected to act as what? As a dynamic resistance. And then what? We're testing what? The exponential moving average what? A second time. So not just are we forming what? The right shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern, as we clearly see from the 4-hourly time frame. We are also what? We're testing what? This very key level previously was a support seen on the 1-hour time frame, broken. A broken support becomes what? A new resistance. Psychological level 9920, and then also what? In confluence with the fact that what? We have price retesting also the 50 exponential moving average. In this case, because we are below it, expected to act as what? As a dynamic resistance. Then we had our sell entry. What? You can clearly see what? A pin bar, a rejection candlestick from what? From the exponential moving average. With our sell entry confirmation from what? From the second bearish candlestick. Even though I was expecting this to close as what? As a bearish engulfing. But then closing the way it did was enough information for us to what? Getting on that sell trade. So at the sell entry just after the close of the second bearish candlestick, rejecting what? The level, stop losses are above. Then what are take profits? Somewhere around 9,300. Yeah, that take profit somewhere on the level 9,300. So this was supposed to be a 1 to 4.4 hour trade, but then we came a little bit shy of our take profits, and that's to what? Close the trade manually. They want to 3 hour and jump 100 index. So yeah, this is my thought process, and clearly every one of the reasons I gathered from what? From the charts that influenced my selling jump 100 index right at this very level. If you really do enjoy these chart breakdown videos of mine as much as I enjoy making them, then do well to smash the subscribe button, like, share, and leave a comment below. See you in the next video, guys.